Welcome to SellerCenter channel. Before we jump in, let's talk about why this matters. Dropshipping is all about margins. Every extra dollar you keep per order adds up fast. Yet many sellers stick with their first supplier, even when better options exist. The reality: different suppliers often sell the same product at different prices. Some offer faster shipping, better ratings, or high repurchase rates. And choosing the right supplier can mean the difference between a struggling store and a highly profitable one. That's where SellerCenter's Dropshipping Supplier Finder comes in. It's an all-in-one tool designed to instantly match your products with better suppliers, using advanced product matching, real-time price comparisons, seller marked with TP member or Super Factory. You can check it out yourself at SellerCenter.io/dropshipping product finder. Let me show you how it works. Inside SellerCenter.io, finding a better supplier is as simple as a few clicks. Upload or search your product. Enter the image link or keywords of the product. You can also upload the product image from your local file. SellerCenter scans across multiple marketplaces to find identical or highly similar items. Instant supplier results. In just a few minutes, you'll see a list of verified suppliers offering the same product with different prices and sales. Some often at significantly lower prices. When you hover over the product, you'll see the repurchase rate, seller marker, trade score, minute order quantity. To search the supplier quickly, you can filter by price, sales, and repurchase rate in ascending or descending order, set the price and seller star range, and even tick off the certified factory option. Switch and profit. Select your preferred supplier. You can see the listing includes product price, shipping cost, delivery time, and you can immediately start fulfilling orders with better pricing and faster shipping. Some sellers are saving up to 50% per item just by making the switch. The best part of using SellerCenter? You keep full control over which suppliers you choose. You can compare ratings, prices, and delivery times all in one place. And you can run a new search anytime to stay competitive. So if you're ready to stop leaving money on the table and start maximizing your dropshipping profits, go try SellerCenter's Dropshipping Supplier Finder today. Head over to SellerCenter.io/dropshipping product finder and start finding better suppliers, lower prices, and higher profits, all in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insider dropshipping strategies.